Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to hide number of connection on LinkedIn. Firstly, make sure you have the application on your device and you're logged into your account. Now at this home page, at the top left, you can see your profile icon. Tap over there. Now at the bottom, you can see the option settings. You have to simply tap on that. Now under the settings category, you can see the option visibility at the third. Tap over there. Now you can see who can see your connections option at the fifth. Tap over there. Currently it's on mode. Now toggle up the button to off it. Now your connection will be hidden. And this is how to hide number of connection on LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.